an accused killer is talking.
Police found a woman's body at Lake Thunderbird, and the man arrested is detailing what he did.
News 9's Angelicia Bruton has that and the heartbreaking last words of the victim.
Austin Godwin is charged with the murder of Charissa Bell. I took a look into his criminal history and I found nothing other than a traffic offense from more than 5 years ago. Godwin's history seems to be squeaky clean aside from a seatbelt violation in 2017.
Sometimes you'll see kind of some lower level crimes that work up into homicide or at least some violence in the past before. Not having that in this case is a little bit out of the ordinary.
Cleveland County District Attorney Greg Mashburn says there are many things off about what led Austin Godwin to allegedly kill Charissa Bell.
In most homicides, the individuals know each other well. In this case, the allegations are that they were strangers.
Court documents say Godwin told officers at the Norman Police Department he was the one that killed Bell. He told officers he saw her walking near his apartment complex. He says she got in his car and the two went back to his place.
They argued over whether or not they were going to have sex, ultimately that led to her death.
The affidavit says the frustrated man strangled her. Her last words were about her children. Officers say Godwin told them afterwards he was scared and didn't know what to do.
You also don't see very often the fact that the body gets moved in different locations and that the suspect, had kind of a well thought out plan of how he was going to dispose of the body, went and purchased the things to hide the body in.
Court documents detailed how he wrapped her body in blankets and put her inside a clear tote. He left the bag at Lake Thunderbird in a secluded area.
We've already begun reaching out to the victim's family, and we'll start that process of letting them know how the court process is going to work.
Godwin will appear in front of a judge on March 28th. Angelicia Bruton, Oklahoma's Own, News 9.